Mother, executive, elected official, community activist. Odessa Shannon has fought for human rights her entire life. She has worked tirelessly to ensure that everyone is treated with respect and dignity inside Montgomery County and out. Odessa Shannon was born in Washington, D.C., and later became one of the distinguished alumni from Smith College. She returned to the area and excelled as a teacher in Baltimore. Ms. Shannon continued her work as a public servant in the federal government and eventually was named as National Program Director at the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, one of the highest non-political positions. After her federal service, Ms. Shannon served Montgomery County in several top executive positions, most recently as Director of the Office of Human Rights from 1995 to 2008. She founded the county's Human Rights Hall of Fame in 2001. Odessa Shannon became Montgomery County's first African-American woman elected official when she was elected to the Board of Education in 1982. A member of the Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority and Eastern Regional Director of Jack and Jill of America, Ms. Shannon has served on many community boards, including NAACP and Montgomery Housing Partnership. Ms. Shannon's life of service has been recognized with a number of prestigious awards, including Human Rights Hall of Fame and the Hornbook Award for Outstanding Service to Education.
Odessa Shannon is really one of the pillars for what we consider to be the modern Montgomery County. Working along with Roscoe Nix, she really pioneered a great deal to help Montgomery County to be the just and compassionate place that it is today. We are really in a very good position in Montgomery County as it relates to diversity. A great deal of that is due in part to Odessa's tremendous work over the years. She has been a civil rights and human rights activist virtually all of her life.
For all of her distinctive accomplishments, County Executive Ike Leggett proudly presents Odessa Shannon with a 2013 Roscoe R. Nix Distinguished Community Leadership Award.